Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing another Beetles unboxing. I had ordered this guy, and this is a autumn collection of 6 colors. And I went over that in like the last video. It says nail haul, so I'll link that up above. And these are this size bottle. What is that? A 7.5 mil. Here are the colors. Beautiful autumn colors. I may change my nails today. Today is September the 1st, guys. Happy September the 1st. But this guy was like $10 for the 6 colors. Now, they're not the big bottles like this, because this is, well, this says a 7.3. It's just these bottles look very, like, bigger. 7.3. So they're basically the same. This is actually a little bit bigger and the bottles look smaller. How does that even work? I don't know. Today's mug. This is a good day to have a good day. So I hope all of you are having a good day. And it's just water. It's water today. It's time to start drinking some water. So there was one file kit. I already have a bunch of Beetles polishes. Actually, this is like the majority of them. And yes, my closet is open because we're going to do a Goodwill thrift haul here in a little bit. So I've already started pulling some things out. But there is like a lot of the Beetles. There's also ASP. There is some Gelish, some Gelays from Sally Beauty in here. But the majority of this is Beetles. This up here is a lot of ASP. You can just tell by the caps. The ones with the stickers on the caps are Beetles. But anywho, I've got some more Beetles polished now. This is the new one. I went to do these nails, which are jelly tips. Ordered a Beetles jelly tip kit. And I loved it. Loved how easy it was. And I pulled out my base coat and my top coat. They look like this. And my top coat was trash. It was just absolute, it was trash. So I went on Amazon to order me a new top coat. And the top and base coat you can get those together for like $12.99. But then these popped up and there was a wide selection of, and I'll put a link to this link if it's still on sale. Just check down in the description box. The kits were $19.99 and there were a few for like $23.99, but I believe they had a few more colors in them. So I got the foundation, which is the base coat, the top coat, the matte top coat, in 20 colors for $19.99. So if I'm going to pay $12.99 just for a base and a top, why not go $7 more and get 20 colors? So let's look at what we got. I'm not going to swatch all these. I have swatched in my videos before. I guess we could swatch them. Do you guys want me to swatch them? It just takes a hot minute to do that. Oh, it's not in styrofoam. It's in a hard case. Okay. And then there is a booklet in the bottom with instructions. So, you know the drill. That goes around the bed. So here's what it looks like. I like that it come in this hard case. I'm going to keep it in this. So there is my foundation, my top, which is what I needed. And this one is the matte. And I do like matte finishes in the autumn. In the winter, it just makes them look like frosty. Okay, so let's go over colors. I'm going to set this down. This was a very autumn looking set as well. And these are 5 mils. So yes, these are smaller, but I was thinking that was right. These are 5 mils. These are the 7.3. Okay. These are smaller bottles. That's fine because I don't go through a lot of polish. I have never in my life finished a color. I have finished a top coat and a base coat, but I've never finished a color. This is B816. I'm not going to go through like all the numbers, but this is a beautiful kind of off-white Not a stark white. I like that. It's kind of an off-white. This one is a little bit deeper than that. I'll just start showing you caps. We'll do that. There was a nail polish I couldn't get open on my other haul, and I still have not had my hubby to get that open. That one's a little bit deeper, more of a bone. This one is a glitter. Yeah, I will put, I'll put exactly which kit I got down in the description box. And I'll put a link, because there's different kits you can pick from on that one link. You just scroll through and look at all the ones. This one is B819. Maybe. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh, and it does have a little bit of shimmer in there. I'm definitely gonna do my nails. I don't want to take these tips off, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the color off without like taking my tips completely off. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Because the tips are fine. I just put them on. This one is B820. Well, that one was closed. Oh, that is a pretty like brick. Get you over here in the camera shot. I don't know why I keep wanting to go this way. Wow. 821. They're nicely sealed. I would definitely give them that. Just a deeper brick red. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's got a little bit of a pinky tone. That's pretty. I don't know what color I want to use now. B822. I have a Sheen haul that's nail stuff coming too. Can't wait to get that. This is 822. Oh, this is a brick shimmer. My fingers out of the way. Pumpkin color. It's a pumpkin-y color. Oh yeah, that's like a true pumpkin. This is another kind of taupey color. 824. So let me put those three together so you guys, and there's actually one more coming. This is the one I haven't showed you yet. So you have three, and I know those all look the same on camera, but there is slight differences. This is a little more browny looking if you go by the cap. This one's a little more brown looking as well. This one's more of a true bone. This one looks like it has a hint of pink. So there is some differences. So yeah, interesting. I'll go ahead and show you that fourth one. Yeah, see, this one definitely is a little bit deeper, getting more toward khaki color. So I know I've already showed you that one. This one is 825 glitter. Oh, chunky gold glitter, chunky gold glitter. 826. It looks like a fine glitter. Oh, with color. Yes. I don't know what I want to do with my nails now. There's so many colors to choose from. 827, which we're getting into like a true khaki color here. Yep. That is like a true khaki color. Another glitter. 828. Ooh, copper glitter. That is so pretty. Oh, what I want to do. 829, and I have like the press-ons. I have 3 weeks of Halloween press-ons, and I think I have one fall press-on coming. This is like a deep eggplant, and that was 829. 830. These are going right in order, guys. This one is a deep, I want to say probably like blood red. It looks black on camera, but I'm sure that is not It's probably like a deep, deep blood red, like almost black. This one is a dark gray, 831. Yep. Does it have some sparkle? No, it's a cream color. Gray. I love grays. For all fall, winter, I love gray. Okay, we only got 3 more because I already showed you the 835. This one is 832. It looks like a deep, yep, it's kind of a brownie gray. See me peeking through. And then 833 is another shimmer. Another glitter. Oh, that one is a deep kind of bronzy shimmer. Oh, I want that one. And then 834. What color are you? You're like a muted pinky gray. I don't even know how to explain that color. It's pretty though. All right, so I'm going to swatch both kits, and I'm not going to do it on camera. That would take us forever, but I'm going to swatch both kits and bring them back and let you kind of see the variance of all the colors from these 2 kits, and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, guys, I have swatched both kits. I had to carry over 2 colors because I ran out of space, but looking at these swatches, these are dips I did last year. I believe these were CN Designer dips. So that video is somewhere around in here. These are dip powders. Absolutely love them. I still like to dip my nails. I'm going to try dipping over the gel tips at some point. I just got back into gel polish. So far, it has not bothered me. The reason I quit using gel polish was I was having an allergic reaction to something I was using. And it was like my fingertips were raw, just absolutely raw and inflamed. So I had to lay off the gel polish for a while. But I'm trying the jelly tips with the gel polish on. I do have builder gel underneath. That is what the glue is. And you cure it with a little baby lamp like that. So far, I've had these on for about a week, and so far so good. I've not had any kind of reaction. So that's why I bought some more polish to try out. So this is the first kit I showed you. I'm going to cover up all the other ones now. So this is the first 6 that I showed you guys. Beautiful, beautiful autumn colors. And this is only 1 coat. 1 coat. Beautiful, beautiful autumn colors. Oh my gosh. So there is those. Now I need the other 2. This is the full 20 kit, and I needed 2 more spaces. See how this one's pink? It didn't look that pink in the bottle. So these were the very last 2 I showed you. The very last 2. And then this is the rest, starting with this guy, which was the palest one. It almost looks like there's no swatch on it, but there is. And then, look, and these are all 1 coats. The glitter probably could, let's do 2 coats on that glitter and see what it does. Of course, you know I gotta drop something every stinking video. Let's do 2 coats on that glitter. What is that? Swatch. It went way out. It rolled all the way almost into my bathroom. 1 or 2 of those did wrinkle because I was putting it on kind of thick. Don't do thick applications. Your gel polish will wrinkle. Give it just another second on the lamp. I have it on 60, but you don't need to go 60. I do like flash cures of 30, and then once I have my whole hand, I do 60. The Beetles polish will tell you how long to cure it for, the little booklet. You can apply 2 to 3 coats. You want to cure for 60 to 90 seconds. So that's why it's like I do flash cure 30, and then I do another 60. So that's correct. So There is 2 coats on that glitter. That is so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful sets, guys. So if you need gel polish, I love Beetles. Super affordable. So I'm going to sit here and figure out how to do my nails. This is what I have on my nails currently. This is also Beetles polish. The 174. And I don't remember what the glitter was I have on there. I've done put that up. But I think both of these were glitter. Beetles. I'm not going to swear to the glitter, but I know the pink peach is. All right, guys, that is it. As always, thanks for watching. Check the description box for links to the products. Not affiliated, not an Amazon affiliate, not an Amazon store. I'm just giving you the link that I purchased. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.